Hi, I'm Danny from Enphase Energy Training with an essential technical tip. When leaving a battery-equipped site in a non-commissioned state, meaning the batteries cannot charge or discharge, be sure to disconnect the DC battery cell packs from each of the battery inverters, otherwise the batteries can get damaged. Shown here is one of the two battery subunits that's inside a battery 10C. Each subunit has two battery inverters and a battery cell pack. For each of the battery inverters, locate the connector at the bottom of the battery inverter. Squeeze the sides to release the latching mechanism and firmly pull down and rock side to side. When removing or installing the battery cover, make sure the battery switch wire and both of the battery inverter cables are tucked up and out of the way so they do not get damaged. Thank you.